Hello guys! Tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make dishwashing liquid soap. So these are the things that we need in making it. We have here the thickener, surfactant, premium premix 1 strawberry, and the bubble booster. I have also prepared 15 liters of clean water. So, dito natin hahaluin yung lahat ng pinakita ko sa inyo. So, I'm gonna use this spoon to mix all of these things together. Guys, we will start making it na po. So, watch and learn. So, the first thing na ilalagay natin is the bubble booster. Sunod na natin si surfactant. So, maliit lang yung gawin nating butas dito sa plastic. And isunod na natin si Premium Premix 1 Strawberry. First time kong gagawa ng strawberry na premix. Maglalagay nito. So, let's see kung ano ba magiging kalalabasan. Wow, smells good. So, after nating mailagay yung premium premix, set aside muna natin for 20 minutes. Since eksaktong 8 p.m. at 8:20, we will mix it. Okay, tapos na yung 20 minutes, kaya ilalagay na natin yung pampalapot or the thickener. So, ayan po. Haluin nyo lang ng haluin hanggang sa mangalay kayo at tuluyan ng lumapot yung mixture. Okay, tapos na po. Set aside na for 24 hours. Thank you.